Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we're doing a quick and easy lunch prep or a quick and easy dinner. We're just going to have it lunch for once because we're a family of 7. There's only 6 of us here because my husband's at work. But you can easily double it and it'll actually be cheaper because you don't have to double all of the ingredients. But it comes in at about $2.50 to $3 depending on what you already have on hand, what your preferences are. It'll be a little bit probably above or right at $3 if you double the things that you need to double. It doesn't make sense now, but let me just show you. I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so here's everything we're going to be using. I got a box of mac and cheese. For this recipe, you would only probably need to double the mac and cheese because we're not going to use all of these beans or all of this taco seasoning. And I probably will go ahead and use all of the corn and tomatoes. And we're just going to use a little dollop of sour cream, not much. So, you know, another dollop is not really going to add to the price. So then besides that, we're just going to use some water. And yeah, so let me show you how I'm going to make it. We're going to start off with our pasta. And this is about 1.5 cups of water. We're just going to start to bring that up to a boil while I prep the veggies. Hopefully my pot doesn't boil over. This is not very pretty on my board here, but you can see I've chopped up the tomatoes and got the corn chopped off. Cob. I don't know. This is why I do voiceovers. Not very good with wording. But anyways, I'm gonna finish cooking the pasta. Now, you just need to add more water as needed. And I'm actually going to take the opportunity while it's cooled a little bit more to add my cheese packet and stir that in. And if you like your corn to be like more cooked, I think fresh corn is perfect how it is, so I'm not going to add that now. But if you're adding like fresh corn to yours and you like yours more cooked, probably should add it now also. Alright, so the mac and cheese is done. I did take some out for my toddler, but it didn't really make a difference. I've drained these and I've got about half of the beans left in here. I did kind of rinse them, but not really. Alright, now I'm going to add just a dollop of sour cream. And if you don't have it on hand, that's fine. You don't have to use it. But I think it's going to add a nice creaminess. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of this taco seasoning. Probably, I don't know, maybe 1/3 of the package. Because I don't want it to be like too much. And then I'm also going to add my tomatoes and corn. And if you have any other taco-y vegetables or any veggies that need to be used up, toss those in as well. And they need to be like cooked first. I think potatoes would be really good in this. Alright, I'm going to go wash my hands. Alright, I'm back. Now I'm just going to start stirring it with this spoon to get all of that off of there. And then I will stir it with this one. And you can see it looks nice and creamy. We might not be able to see with my big old man hands in the way. But looks delicious. And if you have some cheese on hand, then you can put more cheese in here if you want. I think this is plenty cheesy flavored because, you know, we got that cheese flavoring packet. And like I told you before, if you want to double this, just use the full can of beans and then use another dollop of sour cream and a little bit more taco seasoning. The prices that I'm including, I'll have everything linked in the description, but it's for the entire taco packet, the entire can of pinto beans, and like I'll list out what the price is with 2 boxes of mac and cheese too. But yeah, here it is, and I will show you what it looks like plated up. Here's what it looks like in the bowl. So this was definitely a winner in my house. Everyone loved it. I just gave my toddler like some of the mac and cheese and some of the beans and some of the corn, like kind of separated. That way she could kind of just pick at it or pick it up with her hands. And anyways, it was super quick, easy, delicious. I hope that if y'all try it, y'all will let me know how y'all like it and if you did anything differently. And as always, Jesus loves y'all and I love y'all too. And I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye!